Good morning, y'all. I almost wasn't gonna record today, but we're about to go to another cars and coffee. We actually went here a few months back. Just finished washing my car. E30 looking spotless. Hold on. E30's looking icy as hell, as per usual. Gotta get the full little around, you feel me? Car's looking amazing. Just gotta finish drying it off. I really do need a new one of these ShamWows, whatever they call, but car's clean. About to dry it, then do a little quick polishing, a little spray wax, and then we're gonna go, probably gonna go meet up with my boy Alan, and then we're gonna go head over there. So let's see what the day has in store for us. Green. No, what color's the car? What color's the car?
Green.
Green? Oh, them fingerprints. My boy dripped up though. Yeah, you're getting fingerprints on my car. Race car? Alright, so as per usual, I'm late as hell. It was supposed to be from like 9 to 1. It's currently like 11:40. Just left my house. Got my son with me. Alan's behind us. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, on our way now. We should be there in about 5-10 minutes. So of course we got here late as hell. I mean, there's still some cars outside, but this shit is empty as hell. So about to go to my boy's fundraiser. See what's going on over there. Should have went there first, but we're about to go over there right now. Yo, yeah, I know I look crazy, but we finally left the first spot like an hour later because we're trying to start Alan's car. We were trying to start Alan's car because his starter went. I told him that it was his starter like a month ago. He was like, nah, bro, it's the battery. So Alan's walking around with a freaking jumper pack. And Alan, tell him what happened.
That shit don't work, don't start.
So now I got Logan in here, Alan in here. Wow, I said Logan, sorry, Noah. I got Logan and Ashley car behind us. And now we're going to my boy's fundraiser, so we on the way. Noah, say hi. Alright, so just got to the, you got a big ass booger in your nose. Hold on. Blooper. So we at this next spot right now. Boy Noah, he outside. This shit is way better. Ashley and Sherlock with me. This shit is so much better. There's a million different cars here. Got the minty stand board outside. Briss, Jay. Too bad this shit is automatic. That's M4 around. No debate. Boss man got them niggas working today. Got them working today. Oh, this is a fire ass color. No, that's a fire color, right? Slow 80. He said fuck you. Huh?
About the cop.
Sherlock, shut your bitch.
No, the brand, the AG, one of these, but they said they come fit. The offset, they come fit.
G80 shit, bro. I can't wait till I get me a G80. Soon, don't worry. This G80 is fire. I've never seen a textured wrap before.
Have you ever seen fish?
Yeah, we in fucking what's it called? Oh, Pimp My Ride.
Pimp my fucking
Got
ride.
gold coins.
My boy got.
Oh, look on it. Yo, you think we can grab one?
I mean, he might shoot you, but boy got kids in fishing here. Got my other rich friend with his 8th car here. He had a dead fish.
And this one, look, this one.
Boom, yo, animal cruelty.
Oh, the man have a dead fish in the floor.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
No clue.
Don't touch it. Come, let's go this way. Boy, Noah giving everybody looks right now. Noah, what's up? And then we always got that one guy with the automatic car with his mounted trans cooler outside the car. Man got some. Oh, he's painted the alternator. Wow. Wow. I've never seen a painted alternator before. Man went crazy in the spray paints. Wow, he painted his rotors. Can you see it? Wow. Wow.
You don't have no more space for this?
Oh, look the drums. The drums is painted. Ah! No one telling me it's rubbish. Got the immaculate detail screw outside. Got the whole squad. Yo. Got all of them outside. Alan chose the rubbers to go sit on. My boy Noah with the nutty. Noah, say what's up. Well, we got the fire outside. Listen, got the heat. Come on, Noah. We got Ashley's Alfa Romero. Shut up, Sherlock. It's an intro. Look, Noah. I'm trying to get Noah. Yeah, Noah, top football player. Watch it, kick it, easy. Watch it juggling, Noah. Watch it juggling.
Yeah, juggle this.
Oh, I go on top football player.
Juggle this.
Stop giving my son liquor. Yeah, Sherlock, I'm arresting you. Damn, this is like Brisk Evil Twin. It ain't Brisk though. This video is all about Noah today, Noah. Hold on, Noah, get the ball. Get the ball, Noah, get the ball. Noah, red. You can't go this way, Noah. We got the cars that I'm gonna own one of these days. It's 100% the cleanest E30 M in the towns. Then we got the other most fire one. Alright, y'all, safety. Woo! I got a picture of this car. I'm about to drop right here. I'm gonna just record him too because he with him. Just because he with him. We got the oldest nigga here. Wagwan old man. Old man. The favorite shoe around. The only guy here that was able to get Noah to freaking walk with him today. Minty detail. We got the Type R Society. Well, that's a Subi. I don't know why he here. So all the Type R's. Got my boy Peter Alpha. He put together this entire car show. This shit right here, boy, Peter's the truth. But the yellow's my favorite. No yellow car can ever go wrong. Yellow on red. On my left side. I hate these wheels so much, but the car is clean. This shit right here. This shit? This is fucking fire. What the hell? Extended the cab, put two together, made the back seat. Nah, this whole shit is fire. What the
We got the 50-50 where it goes 1 ticket for 5, 3 for 10, 8 for 20. The pot is up to 3. All the vendors,
bro,
if
the
you're
dog
hungry,
is bigger than
check
the
out
ball.
Rocket Truck or Rocket Food.
Where is it?
Get yourself
Look how
something
big
to
that
eat.
shit is.
Don't know
That's
what
a
the speed
big-
limit
Yo.
is. Check
I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I suck at recording these car meets, car shows, whatever the case is, but there was a lot of cars outside today. My boy Mar doing his thing, getting all these washes. I'm about to plug his gram right here, make the detailing. But yeah, today was a really good turnout. My boy Peter and Mar, really good day. So about to see what else is going on here, and then we're gonna wrap it up for the day. My boy's outside with me today, right, Noah? He being bougie, but it's alright. We outside though for the day. Hold on. Pull it up real quick. Got the young boys out here getting blocks.
Embarrass yourself.
Getting. Nah, it's alright. Noah, say what car wash? Car wash? Know what you saying? Fuck Sherm car, right? You want to go on the old car now? Just if your car was clean, keep Noah away from it. Right, Noah? So my phone died now. I'm recording. Whoa! I'm recording from Alan's phone. We just left that very, very packed car function.
In 4.5 miles, take the
Right now, we're about to go see if Alan's car, if he's like starting right now. Cause yeah, it's honestly mad annoying because he actually just changed the alternator, thinking that it was alternator, but it's not. So we are on our way back to go see if his car's gonna start so that we can drive it home. Stay tuned. Update. Phone's a little bit charged, got 5%, Noah's here. So we got the car to start, but now it's saying transmission malfunction. It won't go into gear. So Sherm is about to do a battery reset to see if the car can go into gear so we can get the fuck home. We've been outside for like the last 5 hours. Alan's car drove for about 20 minutes out of the 5 hours. And it's been one of those days for him. But feel me, we all have those days. So once his car get home, we gonna order the starter. We gonna order a battery and a starter. Battery and a starter same time. Get rid of these problems. Alan, I don't know what to tell you, man.
The shit box.
Yeah, Alan just flew out of here because his car finally started and it went into gear, so he flew out of here. Gapping this nigga. My fucking door pod drop off. Oh, this one about to drop off too. This shit hanging off too. Goddamn.
Which one?
Bro, the fucking middle shit. So now it's either I buy new door pods or I just say fuck the door pods and then just buy new side skirts. And this is probably the last video to end off today. We got Generations with my missing door pod. E36, well, hold on, E30, E36, E92, they got it. Yes, y'all, that's the end of another amazing vlog. Oh, gotta turn back this way for the light. this is, whew, slurring a little bit. This is the end of another vlog, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Send it to everybody so I can make more videos just like this. What do y'all think I should do? Do you think I should buy a full set of door pods, a better quality one, so I don't have this gap right here? Or do you think that I should take off the door pods, put back my regular moldings, buy some probably IS side skirts or maybe 4 Taurus side skirts, and then just say fuck the moldings? But comment down below what you guys think I should do. And for now, peace, y'all.